Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you today?
I am doing great today and I hope you also fine.
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Okay, so what's your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Misbahuddin, but if you want, you can call me Misbah.
Okay, it's your short name.
Yes, it's
Okay.
my short name.
Okay, do you have family?
Yes, I have a family.
Okay, how many members in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
Okay, so who are they?
They are my father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me.
Okay, so what's your father's name?
My father's name is Maulana Burhanuddin.
Okay, so what does he do?
He is a teacher.
Okay, so what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nazma Akhtar.
Okay, what does she do?
She is a homemaker.
Okay, so do you love your father?
Yes, I love my father.
Okay, do you love your mother?
Yes, I also love my mother.
Okay, so do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Okay, so do you love your sister?
Why not? I love my sister.
Okay, so what's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Bushra.
Okay, so what does your sisters do?
My sister is a student.
Okay, so do you have brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Okay, what's his name?
His name is Miftauddin.
Okay, what does he do?
He also study in school.
Okay, do you love your brother?
Yes, I love my brother.
Okay, so who helps you in your study?
My father helps me in my study.
Okay, so I think you love your father a lot.
Yes, I love my father a lot.
Okay, so do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Why do you love your family?
I love my family because they take care of me and they're trying to make me best and they help me and they stand side by side of me every time.
Yeah, that's good. That's really fantastic. So do you respect your family?
I respect my family so much.
Okay, so do you feel proud as a member of your family?
I feel so proud as a member of my family.
Okay, so that's all about today's video, and we will see you another video. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.